Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Unit 6. Folk Tales. Page 58. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
I phoned you around 9 p.m. last night, but no reply.
Oh, I was doing some internet research on Vietnamese legends for my project.
Have you found one you like yet?
Not really. Can you suggest anything?
We have lots of legends, folk tales and fables. A popular one is the legend of Lac Lam Wung and Ao Ker.
Oh yeah? What's it about?
Well, it's about the origins of the Vietnamese people.
Who are the main characters?
Lac Lam Wung, the dragon king of the ocean, Ao Ker, a fairy, and their sons.
And what's the story?
Let me see. Lac Lam Wung married Ao Ker. She gave birth to a bag of 100 eggs, which produced 100 baby boys.
100 baby boys. That's a lot.
And some years later, Lac Lam Wung missed the sea, so he took 50 of their sons to the sea, and Ao Ker took the others to the mountains. Those boys were the ancestors of the Vietnamese.
What an interesting legend it is. I think I found the subject of my project.
2. Match the words with their definitions. Then listen, check and repeat.
Unit 6. Page 59. Getting started. Activity 2. Match the words with their definitions. Then, listen, check, and repeat.
1. A very old, traditional story from a particular place that was originally passed on to people in a spoken form. Fable.
2. An ancient story about brave people or magical events that are probably not true. Fairy tale.
3. An imaginary story, typically involving magic or fairies, usually for children. Folk tale.
4. Traditional, imaginary short story that teaches a moral lesson, typically using animal characters. Legend.